What up, Snapchat? Welcome to another episode of Ghost's Garage. Today, I got my big baby out here. My big baby. The 24s on her. I'm changing wheel bearing. I'm doing the front passenger side. Let's get it cracking. Got the ram off. Taking the calipers off. Taking the brakes out next. Yeah, I hate when they get stuck with this grease. Brake pads. Now we gotta get the caliper holder off. I believe that's a size 15. Let me get my tools together, y'all. It's an 18, my bad, y'all. It's been a while since I had to change these. Because I usually get the heavy duties when I get them. Because I always put rims in my car and shit, so. I had to steal some gloves from somebody. Don't mind me. It's a beautiful day out. The rotor is probably seized on there, so I ain't gonna worry about taking that off just yet. I'm gonna just take the whole wheel bearing off all in one piece. It's 3 bolts, 1, 2, and the other one's on the other side. It's just 3 bolts for the wheel bearing. You got the top one out. That's the left. Here is the right. Put a little wrench on it. Put a little wrench on it, man. Bolt number 3. Got the rotor off. That's the wheel bearing. They gotta come out next. It's already loose. Got the new one going in there. Got the screws. Gonna start tightening it up. Holler at you in a second. Got the new one in there. Got the speed sensor cord. I ain't hooked that up yet. I'm gonna slap this rotor on. This motherfucker got some weight to it. Hold on, y'all. Here we go. Here we got the caliper holder. Got the 2 bolts ready to go. Slide that on there like so. Line it up. Both ends. Push the bolt through. this time because I ain't had no zip ties. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Biatch. Brake pads in the grooves. That's one. Both sides. Now you just take the caliper, put it over the brake pads. I'm trying to hold the phone and do this at the same time. Bow. Can't put too much force on it. They got these bitch ass star keys. I hate these fucking things. I should have swapped them out while I had them out, but fuck it. See what I mean? Strip easy. Oh, shit. Yeah, we got the speed sensor. It's the old one. See, it just sits in there like so. Pry it out. Get the old speed sensor out. Let's run this new one. It's already hooked. It's already set up. The points. So it comes off the hub. I don't know if y'all can see that. The first point is right here. Let me switch hands. This is the first point. It sits right in there, just like so. Bow. Alright. The second point, see? It's right in here. There's no hole here for the second point. And I noticed the last one, I just had it zip tied. But the third point is still good. The third point is up here. Bow just sits in there. And then this is the harness. The harness actually has a point as well. Right there. See how that just sits in there? Bow. Then here's the other end of the harness. I don't know if y'all can see that. Just put those two together. I need 2 hands for that, so hold fast. Got the wheel on. Everything done. All you gotta do is now start it up and pump the brakes. Build the pressure back up. See what it look like. Oh, they working. She's stopping, baby. Look at that. Yeah. My big baby got her some brakes.